Hi, I'm Jake.
Okay, I'll create new solid, make it red. With this pen tool here, let's draw a body of our bird. Let's see it. Beautiful. Now new solid for white background. Let's name stuff. Right mouse click on layer to go to layer styles, choose stroke. Create another solid for eyes. Well, that's terrifying. Keep creating solids. Done. Kidding. Create more solids for belly. Change mode to intersect. I said more solids. Okay, we almost done using reference. I feel like still something's missing. How about few more solids for mouth and for hairstyle? Still doesn't look right. Something's missing. Of course, eyebrows. There you go. Now let's add some real environment. It looks too cartoony. Let's add bevel and emboss. But before, let's pre-compose all body parts except eyes and mouth. Nice. Let's pre-compose this all. Let's change scale. Now let's color grade it a bit, using tint effect and curves to match our environment. Let's duplicate our bird and transform, flip horizontal. This here will be our reflection. I'll make this layer 3D and rotate to match the floor. Then add some blur and press T for opacity adjustments. Let's add another solid for contact shadow. And let's adjust a bit our scene. Now the fun part. Let's animate it. Select mouth layer, press M twice to set a keyframe for mask path, and just simply make shape of the mouth accordingly to sounds which you want to make. In this way you can also animate other parts of the bird. Now you can recreate a bunch of birds and make with them your own short films.
Chill, man. We don't care about these eggs.
Leave a like, comment and subscribe for more quick videos.